Hello there! Welcome to a super exciting lesson all about the amazing S sound. My name is Miss Airy and I'm a reading scientist. Today we're going to be learning all about the S sound. Can you say S with me? S. Fantastic! You've got the sound down. So the S sound comes from the letter S, like in snake. Let's figure out how to say the sound properly. Imagine you're very gently blowing out a birthday candle, like this. Now we're going to try to gently blow the candle out again, but this time we are going to do it with a big smile. Make sure our upper teeth and our lower teeth are touching and gently blow the air like this. Now you try. Big smile, teeth are closed, and blow gently. That was perfect! You're getting so good at making the S sound already. Now, let's play a quick guessing game called Guess the Sound. I will say a word, and you have to guess if it starts with the S sound or not. Ready to guess? Alrighty, here we go. The first word is sun. S-un, sun. Does it start with the S sound? You got it! The word sun starts with the S sound. S-un, sun. Let's try the next one. Moon. M-oo-n. Moon. Does it start with the S sound? Wow, that's right. Moon does not start with the S sound. Let's try one more. Sock. S-o-k. Sock. Does it start with the S sound? My goodness, you are really good at this game. The word sock does start with the S sound. S-o-k. Sock. Wow, I think we're ready to move on to another game. Let's play a new game called Silly Stories. I'm going to show you a picture and we will come up with a silly story about the picture with words that start with the S sound. Are you ready for some silliness? Alrighty, here we go. Look at this picture of a snake with sunglasses. Let's make up a silly story. I will go first. Sammy the silly snake is wearing sunglasses. Can you say it out loud with me? Sammy the silly snake is wearing sunglasses. Well, that's a pretty silly story because snakes don't actually wear sunglasses. Let's try another one. Look at this picture of a sparkly star. Can you think of a story about the sparkling star using words that start with S? Great job! Would you like to hear my story? Mine is, the sparkling star spins in the sky. Say it with me. The sparkling star spins in the sky. Woof! The star is getting a little dizzy over there, huh? Fantastic job! We really made some pretty silly stories using words that start with the S sound. You did such a great job today! Remember, you can spot this S sound in many other words you hear. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.